Hi everybody, welcome back. I just want to do a really quick little video on this new knife that I just picked up. That's just going to open up the little tin here. So inside the tin, I'm going to have the knife itself. This is going to be a scalpel blade knife that'll have interchangeable scalpel blades. So we'll open this up and take it out of the package. Taking a look at it, it should flip right open here. Then our razor blade's just going to fit on this side right here. It'll have a nice little liner lock in the middle and then a belt clip on the other end. So all the screws on this are going to be Torx screws. And the body of it's going to be made of carbon fiber. Let's open up one of the blades and put it on. So it does come with several different sterile surgical blades. So it comes with 5 blades in total. Now this holds the blade on really well. It's the first time I've used one of these. So there's a little slot. See if I can get it to focus in here. So you should be able to see that there's a little slot there that the blade's going to fit into. And that slot goes all the way around. So to put it on, you're going to start at the very top, push it all the way down into that groove, and then give the bottom that little push. And then we're going to have a razor sharp scalpel blade that we'll be able to use. Let's see exactly how sharp this blade is. So here's the box of cardboard that it came with. Now the only piece of paper I have handy is going to be these little sticky notes. Let's see how well it cuts through the sticky notes. So that knife is quite sharp. Now if you shake the blade, shake the knife a little bit, it's not going to pop open. That belt clip seems like it's on there pretty good and it's sturdy. It doesn't have any play in it. Now this knife, I ordered it from AliExpress. Initially I ordered a similar knife to this from Amazon. However, Amazon didn't have any stock, so they ended up canceling the order. It's been quite a while since I've seen one of these style knives on Amazon, which is why I didn't get it there. Perfect. So if you need just a little scalpel blade knife, or if you need a little X-Acto knife for any projects that you're going to be working on with a replaceable blade, this is something that'll work very well for you.